Hey there, you wonderful weight loss warriors. Are you ready to melt that stubborn fat, feel amazing, and crush your fitness goals? Whether you're a total newbie or a seasoned pro, we've got something awesome for everyone today. And guess what? You don't need a gym, fancy equipment, or any excuses. Just you, some space, a consistent routine, and the right foods to fuel your success. Oh, and did I mention it's super fun? Let's dive in. You know what they say? The best routine is the one you'll actually do. Stick around, because we've got exercises and diet tips that'll get you sweating and eating right faster than a cat in a room full of rocking chairs. Ready? Let's go. Okay, before we jump into the moves, let's talk real quick about why consistency is your new best friend. You see, consistency is where the magic happens. Working out once in a blue moon? Meh. But following a regular routine with the right foods? That's where your body starts to shed those pounds like a snake shedding its skin. Gross but effective, right? Working out consistently with a balanced diet does two things. One, it keeps your metabolism revved up like a sports car. And two, it builds habits that will keep you fit for the long haul. Let's talk about how to make your body, routine, and diet besties. All right, let's get to the fun stuff, the exercises. These moves are designed to hit multiple muscle groups at once, burning more calories and building more muscle in less time. We're talking about full body burn, baby. And the best part? No gym required. Just find a space and we're good to go. Jump squats, 40 seconds on, 20 seconds rest. Host. Let's start with jump squats. These bad boys will fire up your quads, hamstrings, and glutes while getting your heart rate through the roof. Squat down, then explode up into the air. Land softly like a ninja. You got this. Next up, we're mixing upper body and core with push-ups to plank. Start in a push-up position, drop down, push back up, then transition to a plank. Core engaged, arms steady, you'll feel this everywhere. It's a little dance between your biceps and abs, and trust me, they'll thank you later. Mountain climbers. Get into that plank position again and start bringing those knees toward your chest. Think of it as running up a hill, without the hill of course. These will have you sweating buckets in no time. But hey, no pain, no gain, right? Oh, the dreaded burpee. Love it or hate it, this one's a full-body workout in itself. Drop down, kick those feet back, hit the ground for a push-up, pop back up and jump for the stars. It's the Swiss Army knife of exercises, works everything. Lunges with a twist. Let's finish off with lunges with a twist. Step forward into a lunge, and as you do, twist your torso toward your front knee. This move engages your legs, glutes, and core all at once. Plus, the twist makes you feel like a pro athlete. Look at you go. Okay, let's talk about the other half of the equation. Food. You can't out-train a bad diet, folks. Trust me, if I could burn off donuts by doing extra burpees, I would, but alas, life isn't that easy. So here's what you should focus on. Whole foods. We're talking lean proteins, veggies, fruits, and healthy fats. You know, the stuff that actually makes your body say, thanks, I needed that, when you eat it. Here are some quick tips to make sure your diet supports your weight loss goals. Protein-packed breakfasts. Start your day with a protein-packed breakfast like eggs, Greek yogurt, or a smoothie with protein powder. Protein keeps you full longer and helps build muscle, which burns fat even when you're at rest. It's like eating to lose weight. Yes, please. Make veggies your BFF. They're low in calories, high in fiber, and full of nutrients. Add spinach, broccoli, or bell peppers to your meals, and you'll stay full while keeping your calorie count in check. Plus, your body will love the extra vitamins. Don't be afraid of healthy fats. Avocados, nuts, and olive oil are your go-tos. They help you feel satisfied after meals and keep those energy levels steady. Just don't go overboard. Everything in moderation, my friends. And the unsung hero of weight loss? Water. Drink at least 8 glasses a day and more if you're exercising. It keeps your metabolism running, helps you feel full, and flushes out toxins. So grab that water bottle and start chugging. Here's a little secret. You don't have to give up all your favorite foods to lose weight. In fact, allowing yourself a small treat once in a while can keep you from feeling deprived and falling off the wagon. The key is moderation. Think a square of dark chocolate instead of the whole bar. Now that you know the moves and the diet, let's talk about turning this into a routine that sticks like glue. First up, set a schedule. And nope, not just in your head. Write it down, put it in your phone, or slap it on the fridge. If it's scheduled, you're more likely to stick with it. Next, start small. Don't try to be a superhero on day one. 15 to 20 minutes a day, 3 to 4 times a week, that's plenty to kick things off. Gradually increase your time as you get stronger. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is your dream bod. And here's the secret sauce. Mix it up. Doing the same routine every day gets boring fast. Switch things up with different exercises, alternate between high intensity and low impact, and keep it fresh. You're less likely to skip workouts when they're fun. So there you have it, your foolproof guide to losing weight fast with a consistent routine and a healthy diet. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about showing up. If you're consistent, the results will come. And when you're ready for more, I've got a whole library of videos waiting for you. Check out the videos on the screen for more fat-burning, no gym-required workouts and diet tips that'll keep you on track. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep moving, keep sweating, and keep fueling your body right.